Right guys, let's see if we can do something a little bit different today. I'm still gonna be getting on with the metalwork under the front deck lid, hood, bonnet, anything. But have a little break from that, I think. Maybe see about cleaning up this steering wheel a bit, bring some life back into it. See if we can get all these off. Well, that looks of it, they'll run into the plastic there, so that's going to be unlikely, I'm thinking. But at least I can get all these tabs off here, clean this bar up, because I believe this is what the horn earths through, and just clean it up a little bit. It's not in too bad of a condition. I have noticed there is a split line there. I'm not sure what I can do about that. I'm sure there's products out there I can use to clean that up. And just see how we get on. Hey guys, so you saw me take off these. It's just from what I can make out, 7mm bolt going through that plastic spacer clamp, and there's a star washer on the back of there. Pretty straightforward stuff. And then we have these, don't know if you were able to see in the time lapse, these little what do you call them? Just little, like, clips, and I believe that was holding the back part on. So let's see if that's right, and this will come off now. And there's a little more to it. Yeah, I'm thinking there's more to it. Alright, okay, we've got 2 Phillips head screws on the back. We go ahead, take them out, see if that'll do it. They look a little bit rounded off already, so careful. You can see. Yeah, see, okay. Quite a long thread on them. So there's that one now. I'm guessing there should be 3 in here because there's a space for another one. I can see a thread through it, but it's not there, so I'm going to see if I can find a screw similar to that. Can use to refit there. Let's see. Yep, so that's that. So then we've got, I believe, is our live feed for the horn. Give that a quick clean up, it's not too bad. And we've got this backing piece, just slides right off. There's one plastic mould in there, doesn't look like it's ever been taken off. That'll clean up nicely too. And then we've got a similar deal here to the steering column. So it's like a, I'm guessing it's the same deal. If you have an accident, front end crash, all this lattice setup will just crumble and hopefully take the impact, reduce any damage. And it looks like that will come, oh no, yeah, we're riveted on there, so, oh. Oops, wrong way. So riveted on there, So I'm not going to attempt to take that off, it's not necessary. So we can get everything pretty well from there. You can see the splines inside. A little bit crusty around here. Nothing major, nothing I can't clean up. That's basically the steering wheel stripped down as far as I think I want to take it, or as far as you can take it without not being able to put it back together. So these bars are the plastic is moulded around them bars, so imagine that metal piece is inserted and then the mould is closed and that's filled up and filled around them, so I'm not going to mess with that. We're just going to have a clean up on here, clean up these pieces. Sounds like there's something rattling around in there, maybe something that's damaged, broken off. I think, as far as I can tell, that's a sealed sorry, you can't see. I think this is one piece. I'm gonna crack there. It looks like a split line here. I'm not sure I want to try and prise that apart. It's definitely something rattling about in there. I'm going to guess that it's just something that's damaged and ended up inside, broken off. Oh, yeah, I'm guessing as well also that this is fitted onto there, which it wasn't. It will have been, because I know my home worked at one point. So pretty cool. The springs there. Try and bring some life into them, clean them up, a little bit rusted. Still look fine. Yeah, let's go on with the clean-up operation. I don't want to bore you too much with this, it's a bit repetitive, same thing, and cleaning in here. First I've tried with the Scotch-Brite, didn't touch it. Some more coarse grain sandpaper, still didn't cut it, so I'm going in with the drill, but you'll notice I haven't gone in too close to the mouldings here. I don't want to end up damaging them. So I'm just going to continue on. Now I think I might be able to paint this, because there's definitely paint there. And you just leave these points bare metal to earth on, I think. So I might do that, just tidy it up a bit. We'll see, I'll bring you back in a bit. Guys, I'm just in the process of putting paint on. Pretty boring. I'm just putting some brushable black paint straight over the top. No primer, there's none on here to begin with. It's going to be in the car, it'll be fine. I've yet to do inside, that's what you're seeing there. But remember, this was rattling. No more. I figured what it was. As you can see, I removed the spring there and got some damage. The spring should go back in. There's still two notches for it to grab hold of. And I realise I've come to the distinct lack of cleaning products that I've got, because that's never been something I've been able to do. So I haven't been able to get this as clean as I would have liked. You can still see it's pitting in the grain still. I'm not sure what I could use to get that out. If anyone knows any good products, let me know. That'd be good. So yeah, as a kid you play them, what do you call them, games with little ball bearings and little puzzles. So I was able to kind of do that and remove the bits of plastic that were broken off and left inside. I don't know if that's happened. Maybe that's when the crash happened and someone hit down on the horn really hard and broke it up. Who knows? Yeah, we managed to get that out, so no more rattling. That's good. Just in between coats on here. I think that's going to do it for this side. It's enough coverage, I think. The back of the steering wheel, you're never going to see it. It's probably never going to rust again the time I have it. So once this side's dried, I'm going to turn it over, paint that, let it dry, give it a couple of coats, reassemble the steering wheel, see how it looks. Okay, it's time to reassemble everything. Got the paint on there. It's not 100% dry, but I've run out of time, so we've got to reassemble this. A bit more time lapse and we're done. Let's do it. There's a chance some of this may have been assembled incorrectly, differently, but it should still work and I can always change it. I don't remember from the start of the video which way around these went. They've got like little arms, top and bottom, which wrap around this bar, and then I'm thinking this curved side here should be on the inside and that flat part on the outside, because the bars go up at an angle, so they're probably the wrong way around, but nonetheless they're in place, they've got hold of it, and then it's just a case of attaching that cable onto there and it's done. Just quickly guys, I was correct. My steering wheel told me so. These do have to face that way around. Also I've put these on too to hold the back in place. You see they've got, I don't know if you can see, got 3 tabs and they only point in certain ways, and you will not be able to put this cover on if they're the wrong way around, because they correspond with the tabs in there. Okay, well I'm going to put this on and that'll do it. Thanks for watching.